thank you so much for your attendance and your presence here this evening.
Over the years, there have been many challenges, but after 25 years, we are humbled with the support we have received, the impact we have made, and the lives we have touched.
I'm proud to join you to celebrate the Islamic Center of Detroit's 25th anniversary. 25 years of faith in action and service to our great city.
This organization is an anchor institution in the most important sense of that phrase, because there are people whose lives are better centered in community because of ICD. There are people who are better positioned to be successful and the best version of themselves because of ICD. And it's 25 years of impact that will echo for generations to come. On behalf of the entire state of Michigan, I have a special tribute to celebrate 25 years signed by me and Gretchen Whitmer. God bless.
It is a community center. It is a community hub that opens up its doors to peoples of all backgrounds, all nationalities, and all faiths. ICD serves as an example in that fashion, where it welcomes all through its doors to offer assistance, food pantry assistance, health assistance, whether it be mental or physical.
And she's really a center of why ICD is so important. One of the privileges and honors I have is to enter into the congressional record the beautiful work and contributions of the Islamic Center of Detroit. Welcome one of our amazing community mothers, Suhaib.
ICD is an important institution. It is an institution that has stood for 25 years, but it's not the brick and mortar about this particular building that makes us who we are as a community. What makes the ICD so special is the character of the men and women that have come out of the ICD.
I have the honor to present this tribute on behalf of the state of Michigan and the House of Representatives that State Senator Sylvia Santana wanted to join us in presenting. It is our privilege to join with the citizens of Michigan in proudly recognizing the Islamic Center of Detroit on the occasion of its 25th anniversary.
Congratulations on your 25 years of service, and thank you for showing the rest of the country what serving communities looks like.
The resolution, which will go into the Wayne County archives, which means that at any moment in history, you can go into the archives and you'll find this resolution acknowledging the 25-year mark of the Islamic Center of Detroit.
On behalf of Chief Todd Bettison and the Detroit Police Department, it's an honor to be here for the 25th anniversary of the Islamic Center of Detroit.
The ICD has consistently given back to the community and to the city of Detroit, and we're looking forward to celebrating you for years to come.
In my role as councilman, I have the opportunity to witness tremendous impact this organization has on the lives of residents every single day.
There is no Islamic center in the United States of America that has done what ICD has done with its mental health center.
Yes, the ICD does a lot of community work, externally helping people, but let's not forget what they did to the youth.
But I will tell you, and I will leave you with this, I work at the ICD every single day. We see the thousands of people that come in for the religious services, the thousands of people that come for Jummah, the thousands of people that come for the food pantry.
May Allah bless all of the teachers and the founders and the staff of the school and the masjid, the people that have come and left over the decades, and the people that have shaped our paths.
And it's a testament to the work that the ICD does. That doesn't just impact what's going on in Detroit, but also around Wayne County and across the state.
Thank you for your 25 years of compassion, faith, and determination. Once again, congratulations. Let's keep working together to build a stronger, healthier, and more united Michigan.